thoracentesis. A simple procedure in principle, but one where technique and precision matter a lot. Let's walk through it step by step. First, position the patient. The patient should be sitting upright, leaning slightly forward, with arms supported on a table or pillow. This position opens the intercostal spaces and allows fluid to collect dependently, making the procedure safer and easier. Second, identify the site. Use ultrasound whenever available to locate the pleural effusion and determine the safest insertion point. The ideal site is usually 1 or 2 intercostal spaces below the upper level of the fluid, but always just above the rib to avoid the neurovascular bundle. Landmarking and visualization here are critical. This step prevents most complications. Third, prepare and drape. Clean the skin thoroughly with antiseptic solution and maintain a strict, sterile field. Small details at this stage prevent infections later, so don't rush this part. Fourth, local anesthesia. Infiltrate lidocaine layer by layer, starting from the skin, then deeper tissues, and finally, the pleura. Always aspirate as you advance to avoid intravascular injection. Fifth, needle insertion. Advance the needle just above the upper border of the rib while applying gentle negative pressure. Once pleural fluid is aspirated, you know you're in the right space. Sixth, fluid aspiration. Attach tubing or a syringe and drain fluid slowly. Avoid rapid or excessive removal to reduce the risk of re-expansion pulmonary edema. And finally, withdraw and dress. Remove the needle, apply a sterile dressing, and monitor the patient. Reassess breath sounds and consider a post-procedure chest X-ray if clinically indicated. Thoracentesis isn't just about removing fluid. It's about doing it safely, step by step. To learn more procedures like this, explore E-PulsePoints.